Well, today I'm with Brant Insero, the Director of Education, Certifications, and Standards with the Cleaning Management Institute, CMI, a division of ISSA. Brant, that's a long title. Does that even fit on a business card?
It doesn't, Jeff. I actually have to get like little whiteboard cards and erase them and rewrite it. And it's just too long, but it shows how important this job really is.
Yes, you just turned this around to something serious. So that's cool. ISSA has some big news to announce regarding a long-standing influential resource. Tell us about that.
And Jeff, we are just beyond excited. Honestly, in 1963, ISSA started contributing to the industry by relaying facts and data about productivity times and tools and tasks. And it was called the Cleaning Times. And our last edition was 2014. And we are so proud and honored to let everybody know that the newest edition is coming out in just a few short weeks. We've been working behind the scenes diligently for the last year and a half, gathering the data from industry experts and our members and some other subject matter experts outside of the industry as well. And Jeff, everyone we talk to is just at the edge of their seat waiting for this new resource.
Okay, show me what it looks like. This must be a fantastic book.
Ooh, Jeff, you're asking me to do something that I'm sworn to secrecy.
Brant,
Right.
People want to know. They got to see it.
Well, Jeff, it's in this very long tube. This is the artwork, and it's some of the design. So I don't know. It's a little dark. Can you see inside
Oh,
of it?
there we go. Okay, that's the Cleaning Times. Nice job, Brant.
Well, Jeff, I really want to take this out and show you, but it's a secret still.
Well, we see the cover, and people can order the book, I understand. This thing started at first release in 1963. Now a brand new one, improved. What's new with this update?
So this year, we obviously endured a lot over the last 12 months. So the very first thing just to highlight is we're launching a pandemic or epidemic cleaning time section inside of the new manual. And we're excited about it. It's going to highlight some of the new electrostatic sprayers and disinfecting units. But we've also had a lot of requests for cleaning times based on industry segment. And what I mean by this is cleaning times by healthcare, by higher ed, and we even have correctional facilities in there as well. And then we also added a new section of the book that's all about industry vocabulary. A lot of people will misuse terms on a consistent basis, and we thought this would be a nice way to identify those terms. There's plenty of other new areas inside of the book, including reduced times as well. We took away a lot of the outdated times and tasks that really are not relevant to where we are in today's world. And you're also going to notice some areas in there around robotics and autonomy.
So why do people need this? Is this like a dictionary for cleaners?
It's a really great question. And if you could put it in terms like that, and I think when you identify our member classifications at ISSA, everybody has a different reason on why they need to use this book. The resource has been valuable to the supply chain, distribution and manufacturers specifically, as they try to compare their lines of equipment to the competition. And a lot of times they will leverage this data to say that my piece of equipment has a faster cleaning times than their competition. Contractors love to use this catalog of data to really position themselves around their labor, being able to bid and estimate and make sure that they're charging the right amount of money. And in-house service professionals like K-12 or universities and some other organizations will leverage this to identify the correct staffing levels inside of their organization. But ultimately, it always comes back to workloading is a key component to a cleaning system design for any organization. And at the crux and the most important piece of this is labor, because that is the most controllable expense that any organization has. So this helps organizations identify, as mentioned, their challenges around labor and being able to fix those challenges as well.
So a comprehensive industry resource that tells you all this data, all this information, anyone can use it. Tell us, Brant, how do we get a copy and what formats does it come in?
Absolutely. So Jeff, great question again. You're always full of them. I love them. And if you just go to issa.com/shop and search for the ISSA cleaning times, you will find it in there. And it's currently in the English system. We will be converting this over to metric in the near future. And currently it is only available in a print format. Later this year or the beginning of next year, we will look at offering this in a digital format. But for the foreseeable future, it is in a print format.
Okay. Well, Brant, thank you for your time today, and we'll look forward to looking at the actual copy, not through the tube.
Jeff.
Show it to us one more time.
Jeff, one more. We are so excited about this. I hope you guys are too.
All right, Brant. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.